1,000 years, the Silk Road passed through what is now Uzbekistan and along the shores of a massive inland sea, the Aral Sea.
At one time, the Aral Sea was the fourth largest lake in the world and covered almost 70,000 square kilometers, providing life and livelihood to the millions of people in the region. Then, in the 1950s, the Soviet government massively diverted water from the two rivers feeding the lake, attempting to grow cotton in the arid lands of Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan. Exploitation of the water at the expense of the sea was obvious to the world, but no one could stop it. By 1996, the Aral Sea had shrunk in size by 50%. Today, the Aral Sea is only 10% of its original size.
Комментарии здесь излишни. Преодоление последствий высыхания моря требует сегодня активной консолидации международных усилий.
Everyone saw what was happening, but no one could stop it. And now we see the cost of that inaction and the toll on the land and its people. The sea is gone, the people are not. Now we live in the Aral Desert, a desert with sand poisoned by a high concentration of salt, pesticides and fertilizers. These are the tragic consequences that affect the health of our people in their ability to live in the region. But these are not only our problems. Every year, the wind carries 100 million tons of this toxic dust as far as the cities of Europe, the glaciers of Greenland, the forests of Norway, and even Antarctica. But the center of this crisis is the Aral Sea region. In May 2018, a suffocating sand and salt storm blew for days. The toxins were dangerous not only for the population and animals, but also for their crops and grazing lands.
To support local communities, international donors and the United Nations agencies joined the government of Uzbekistan to bring relief to the 3.5 million people affected by the crisis. Today, there are dozens of programs in the Aral region trying to make the land viable again for its people.
But these projects operate independently, with only limited coordination between them. Think what we could do together. Now, the government of Uzbekistan and the United Nations have found a way toward better cooperation and efficiency.
The Multi-Partner Trust Fund for Human Security in the Aral Sea region is a single platform, single strategy fund for breakthrough, people-centered development. Guided by the Sustainable Development Goals and the human security approach, as well as capitalizing on success and lessons learned from the two programs funded by the UN Trust Fund for Human Security, the Trust Fund consolidates donor assistance to the Aral Sea region. There are already more than 100 multi-partner trust funds throughout the world. Their success depends on the support of donors worldwide. In 2018, the Aral region was proposed as an innovation and technology zone by the government of Uzbekistan to search for new approaches to old problems.
Working together, we can turn this ecological disaster into ecological innovation, piloting projects that can be adapted to other climate disasters around the globe. Let's be smart. As the Karakalpak proverb says, the strong man wins once, the clever man wins often. The sea may be gone, but the people, their hopes and dreams are here to stay.